Where's your cheese doodles?
They're gone. They're gone.
Who ate them?
Me.
Do you need some more?
Yeah.
Where do you get cheese doodles?
They're at WW.
You're right.
And we had to get some. I have a pretty dress to get some cheese doodles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're gone.
Aw, don't worry, Grandma. We'll get some more. Don't worry, Grandma. We'll get some more. We'll get some more cheese doodles.
Where?
They're at the WW. We have to go in my car.
Okay.
You'll have to take a picture of the black car. And it's gone. You have to take the black car. You know, I can't see it. You have to take the black car. Who takes the black car? Oh, Papa does. You have to take the black car when Papa does. Papa takes the black car.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you ride it. And you never ride. You never get to the WW.
Oh. Maybe another day.